Good afternoon, friends. Happy Wednesday to all of you. If you are currently having financial difficulty keeping up with rent or bills, you may be eligible to receive boosted monthly checks starting this year. At least 11 top lawmakers have passed bills that will establish new stimulus funds for millions of Americans. Friends, this is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. So please make sure you watch until the end of this video to learn how you can receive extra relief. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter these giveaways, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. Please stay tuned because in a video later today, I will be announcing today's winner. Consumers who have a hard time making ends meet due to the highest inflation rate in 40 years could get help thanks to federal and state legislation that would send rebates, stimulus checks, or other financial relief to Americans. The Kentucky Senate legislature recently approved $1 billion in rebates for taxpayers. If the measure makes it into law, the state will send a one-time rebate check of $500 to eligible individuals and up to $1,000 to eligible households. The one-time rebates are expected to cost the state up to $1.15 billion. If the proposal becomes law, the rebates should be distributed to Kentuckians by the end of this summer. But Democratic Senator Reginald Thomas called it bad tax policy, saying broad sections of the state's population would not benefit from the rebates. Instead, he touted a proposed temporary cut in the state sales tax rate as a way to provide widespread relief from rising consumer prices. So friends, what are your thoughts on these proposed laws? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Nationwide, 16.7% of children live in poverty. 3 million of those children were lifted out of poverty in 2021. by President Biden's American Rescue Plan. The plan expanded the child tax credit and allowed families to receive the front half of those credits through monthly payments, although President Biden wanted to extend the expanded child tax credit through the year 2025. Partisan bickering in Congress put a stop to it. A recent survey found that families are struggling once again to feed their children. 9 out of 10 parents surveyed said they're having trouble making ends meet, with 45% saying they've skipped meals so that their children can eat. But the good news is that many state governments have stepped into the void created by Congress. Alabama legislators were nearly unanimous in their vote to provide families who receive the child tax credit a break on their taxes. It is estimated that the average family with 2 children saved $200 at tax time through a program called the Young Child Tax Credit. California is offering $1,000 to qualifying families with annual earnings under $25,000 a year. Families earning between $25,000 and $30,000 will receive a reduced credit. This tax credit is available for children under the age of 6 to families who qualify for the California Earned Income Tax Credit. Colorado is also offering a child tax credit to families with children under the age of 6. Beginning in January 2023, families can claim 5% to 30% of the federal child tax credit for each qualifying child. This credit will be available to single Colorado residents earning $75,000 or less and married couples earning $85,000 or less. But children must be 6 or younger on December 31st, 2022 to qualify. Also, families in Idaho can expect a child tax credit of $205 per qualifying child when they file their next tax returns. In addition, the state lowered the individual income tax rate by 0.475%, with the top rate for individuals now at 6.925%. In addition, the state lowered the individual income tax rate by 0.48%, with the top rate for individuals now at 6.92%. Through the Empire State Child Tax Credit, eligible New Yorkers will receive either $100 per qualifying child or 33% of the federal child tax credit and federal additional child tax credit, whichever is greater. Last month, Vermont legislators came up with a plan to provide families a refundable tax credit of $1,000 per child under the age of 5. Households earning up to $125,000 will be eligible for the entire credit, with the credit dropping by $20 per $1,000 over the $125,000 salary. Friends, the keyword for this video is Tasmania. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Tasmania, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Inflation has driven up the prices of nearly all goods and services, including necessary items such as groceries and energy. The cost of a carton of eggs was 32% higher in May compared to just a year ago. According to a new report, American families pay $311 more each month on average for essential goods compared to just 1 year ago. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? What do you think caused inflation? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.
Now it's true we got some Republicans, friends, to help on the Infrastructure Act. But we're talking how many in the House? 12, 13, 14 or something, whatever it was? 13. I mean, come on. I was happy for them, don't get me wrong. And then every one of them got attacked. Look, have you noticed that every new bridge, every trench dug to put in to take out lead pipes, every trench dug, there's a Republican standing there saying, this is a great thing. Wonderful. We did it. Even Mitch McConnell, for God's sake. You know, as we say in my outfit, bless me, Father, for I have sinned. This has been so much since the last confession. Look, the simple fact is, this infrastructure bill is going to transform America. I mean, not figuratively, literally transform America. That's already starting. Instead of having infrastructure week, we have an infrastructure decade we voted for, okay? We got 4,000 projects all across the country, including 1,500 bridges.
Well, my amazing and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for watching the videos daily and joining me here. I greatly appreciate all of you. Remember, dear friends, I'll be announcing a winner in a video later today. So please enter the keywords for each video that you watch and do stay tuned for the video. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Wednesday.